it's Yay for Yarn, and this is the Ultimate Yarn Crafters Gift Guide. So I have put together for you a list of over 50 items that I think would be really beautiful gifts for a knitter or a crocheter. Just so you know, the links in all of these posts are affiliate links. So if you make a purchase through one of those links, I might receive a small commission, but it won't cost you any extra, and it helps support Yay for Yarn. So you will find the link to the main gift guide post in the description box, and then after that, the gifts are divided into categories. So first up, let's start with stitch markers. I think stitch markers are a super unique type of gift, not just ordinary, plastic stitch markers that just, perform a task, but pretty stitch markers. All of these that are on my list are handmade by someone on Etsy. There are lots of different shops featured here, and all of the stitch markers are super cute and very unique, and a lot of these are actually pretty inexpensive. Next up is crochet hooks. Now, I love crochet hooks. I do a lot of crochet hook reviews on this channel, but this list includes lots of different types of crochet hooks, from really inexpensive sets for beginners to some of my favorite more luxury type of crochet hooks. Those are all in there, as well as a whole bunch of handmade crochet hooks. There are crochet hooks made of wood here, and a lot of crochet hooks also that are covered in polymer clay, and these are hand sculpted to have all kinds of beautiful designs on them. The next section is for knitting needles and tools, and again, there are some sets of knitting needles that are, bargain type sets that have some pretty decent quality needles in them, that you get a whole bunch for a low amount of money, and also some of my favorite more luxury type needles as well. And then there are knitting tools, little gadgets and knickknacks that are really helpful specifically for knitting projects. And last up is the category of tools, gadgets, and project bags. Now this one includes items that are useful for both knitters and crocheters, and some of them are just even really neat ideas for crafters in general. For example, the wrist rulers. I really love these. These are, stylish little bracelets that double as rulers. Great for any kind of crafter. I've also got in here some really cute sets of knitting and crochet tools, some yarn winding tools, blocking tools, assembly tools, and then project bags. And project bags are kind of an essential for anybody who does knit or crochet. And I've got some more utilitarian style ones, some just cute ones, and I've even got project bags that say Yay for Yarn on them. So I hope you found an item here that you loved. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite gifts for crafters are in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, making sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching, and happy yarning!